This is going to be a relatively easy raw video on how to install window visors if you've never done it before. You're going to need a heat gun if you don't have like a sunny day out. Heat helps. The adhesion stick, some alcohol pads, of course the sun visors. I'll link the ones I use below. They make them for tons of different models of vehicles and everything like that, but you can find all this stuff on Amazon. Let's just get started right away. So alcohol pad first, and you want to know where your sun visors are going to go. I already test fit mine to see that I like them. I've actually already done the other side. So we're just going to clean this off. I did freshly just detail my car as well. So it's already pretty clean, but still alcohol is going to get the last remnant of dirt off of there. Really get that done. That's nice and clean. And we'll just try to wipe that off. Alcohol dries pretty fast, but we'll just wipe that excess moisture off there. Very simple. Next up, my window visors did come with some adhesion promoter, so that's what I'm going to use. It came with 2 packs, so I'm using 1 pack for each whole side of the vehicle. You just want to open this up. You're probably supposed to use gloves with this, but we'll be okay. And we're just going to throw the adhesion promoter on where you know you're going to be sticking it. And it's not going to be sticking on the glass. This is sticking on the door seal up top. Mine do not go inside the door seal. Mine are on top. Some people say those are the better ones. Some people argue the ones that go in the door seals are better. I prefer these. It's the one I saw had the best reviews, so that's what I went with. The exterior stick. And that adhesion promoter, you're just going to want to put that everywhere that you think your sun visor is going to stick. All of your visors should be labeled in bags. This one should be the front. Yeah, this is going to be the front one. So just to do a little test. As you can see, that is the front one. Quick tip is you don't want to rip off the entire red ribbon to begin with. You want to, so mine has 2 pieces of ribbon. There's ribbon here, ribbon here, ribbon here. So we're going to go ahead and start the sides. We're not going to fully take off the ribbon, and I'll show you why in a second so we can move it around. But let's get this off. So as you can see, I'm just starting the ribbon. I didn't fully take it off, and I'm making sure I fold this back over itself so I have it exposed to pull in a second. Then we're going to do the other side as well, just starting it, not fully taking it off. All right, you should have it kind of looking like that on both ends. So then you're going to go ahead and heat it up real quick because it's kind of a colder day out today. So we're going to go ahead and heat this up. This will just help. It's not an absolute necessity, but if you're going to do the work to put these on, you want them to stay on for a while. So do everything I can. Make sure it's blowing hot. Doesn't need a whole lot. Obviously, if it was a sunny day and really hot outside, that would be even better because the car would be hot as well. And we're gonna look to line up mainly this section here. Just be careful, not worrying about the other side yet. I think that's a little too high. Find that to be pretty satisfactory. And this is why you just do the front first and the front back first. Because if I had the whole thing getting stuck right now, it'd be a lot harder to maneuver it. For sure. So I'm pretty satisfied with that. So we're gonna stick those down. And now this is the fun part, just removing this ribbon here. Throw that down, and we'll go ahead and stick the remaining piece here. Pretty satisfied with that. We'll get a microfiber, kind of repress on it there a bit. Makes it easier to slide and cleans up all those fingerprints I just left. And since we still have that adhesion promoter on that other side, we do want to get started on that. We can grab our other window visor. This is going to be the left rear. Start off just like we did last time. So just starting it. A little tricky if you don't have fingernails. And again, we're starting on this side. And the big thing is lining it up even with the one you've already placed. And that's pretty much how it's done. You're gonna have a car now, you get visors on the side protecting you from the sun. You can roll down your windows if it's raining, you know, crack in some air. Or if you leave your car outside and it's super, super hot, again, just leave your windows cracked. You don't have to worry about rain because you have visors. So there you go. If you have any questions, just leave them down below.